Hi, Grandma, I'm going to teach you how to do varial heel. A varial heel is like a front shove. And a heel flip. Your footing should be like this. And then you want to pop it. And instead of flicking that way, you want to flick that way. Because once you flick that way, it'll start turning. And then you catch it. Usually with your front foot. Then you're like that.
Sometimes with back foot up.
Like down Wallenberg. And then you land it. Now you have to do it down the gap like Jordan Hoffart.
Wait, was that text from Mike? Okay. It's like